Good morning, all of you. Welcome to English class. Today, we are going to study a very interesting story from your book Fragrance Reader, that is The Golden Touch. So, open your books at chapter number 9. By the end of this video, you will be able to express story in your own words. You will be able to understand the meanings of difficult words and phrases, and you will be able to answer the related questions. So first of all, I will discuss with you brief summary of the chapter. The story is about a king named Midas who had a strong obsession to possess gold. He craved for gold, but his craving landed him in great trouble. When his daughter turned into gold, he understood that one should never be greedy in life, because the wish of being greedy never gives fruitful returns in future. Now let's begin with the detailed summary of the chapter. Once upon a time, there was a king named Midas. He was the king of quite a beautiful country, where all the people were happy and content. He had a cheerful and a happy daughter whose hair was the color of spun gold and eyes were blue. She was so gentle and kind that birds came down from the trees and sat on her hand when she used to sing. Midas was a good man and a good king, but his only flaw was his obsession for gold. He was so obsessed by gold that he had rooms full of it and even a throne made entirely from gold. One day he had a dream that everything he touched turned into gold while he was sitting on his golden throne. He closed his eyes and his fondest dream came true. On the same day, he had another dream. He saw a strange figure. It was a head that looked like flames were all around it. The figure spoke to him that his craving for gold, that was something unimportant, had been his only flaw. But Midas still cried and demanded for this power more than anything else in this world. The figure warned him before granting the power that gold, wealth, and possessions were truly meaningless, but he did not understand. He was granted the golden touch by the figure. To test his power, Midas walked out to the garden and touched the beautiful fountain, a plate, a spear, and his daughter's old favorite teddy bear. Every single thing he touched was turned into gold by magic. He got so excited that he forgot the warning of the granter of the wishes. He raced out into the garden to share his happiness with his beloved daughter. But when he touched her, she turned into gold. He jumped back in amazement. The king remembered the warning of the figure. But when he turned away, he realized that it was only a dream and his daughter was absolutely fine. Midas jumped up from his throne and hugged his daughter. At the end, he had learned a lesson, so he gave most of his wealth to his subjects and poor people of the kingdom. He realized that gold, wealth, and possessions were truly meaningless. He became the wisest and the most generous king in the entire world. Now let's begin with the reading of page number 57. But before that, we will mark the word meanings and phrases on that page. So come to first word, that is obsession. 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 It means the state in which person's mind is filled with one particular thing. Second word is possess. 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 It means to own something. Now come to first paragraph of the chapter. In the third line, there is a word content. 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 It means satisfied. Come to next paragraph. In the third line, there is a word gentle. 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 It means kind. After that, in the next line, there is a word kingdom. 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 It means empire. Our next word is craved. 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 It means having a strong desire. Now, in the next line, there is a word throne. 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 It means a special chair used by a king or queen. Now, in the next line, there is a word entirely. 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 It means completely. Now come to last paragraph of page 57. In the last second line, there is a word fondest. 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 It means most liked. So students, we have discussed the word meanings on page 57. Now we are going to discuss the phrases for better understanding of the page. So come to first phrase. In the second line of the first paragraph, there is a phrase of quite a beautiful country, which means एक सुंदर देश का. Our next phrase is of his life, which means उसकी जिंदगी की. Now, in the second paragraph, there is a phrase from the trees, which means पेड़ों से. After that, there is a phrase on her hand, which means उसके हाथ पर. Now, in the last line of the second paragraph, there is a phrase from gold, which means सोने का. Now come to last paragraph of the page. In the second line, there is a phrase for more and more gold, which means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सोना. In the next line, there is a phrase on his golden throne, which means अपने सोने के तख्त पर. So now we have discussed the phrases on page 57. Now we will begin with the reading of page 57, and also we will discuss the cross questions related to that page. So come to first paragraph. Once upon a time, there was a king named Midas. He was the king of quite a beautiful country, where the people were content and life went along well. Midas had a daughter who was the joy of his life. She was always happy and cheerful, and the people loved her. So the story begins with the king named Midas, who was the king of a very beautiful country where the people were very much satisfied and nothing was wrong. Midas had a daughter who was the joy of his life. She was always happy and exciting about life. Moreover, the people of the kingdom loved his daughter. Now come to next paragraph. Her hair was the color of spun gold and her eyes were blue. They said when she sang, the birds came down from the trees and sat on her hand. So gentle and kind was she. So, what was the color of the hair of Midas' daughter? The color of the hair of Midas' daughter was spun gold. Moreover, she had blue eyes. The people of the kingdom of Midas used to say that whenever her daughter sang, birds came down from the trees and always sat on her hand. She was very kind and gentle. Now, on the basis of what we have read till now, you will be able to answer these questions. What is the name of the king in this chapter? The name of the king in this chapter is Midas. Number 2. Why do you think the people loved the daughter of King Midas? The people loved the daughter of King Midas because she was gentle and kind. She was always happy and cheerful. Moreover, she had a melodious voice. Question number 3. Describe the appearance of King Midas' daughter. The hair of King Midas' daughter was a color of spun gold and her eyes were blue. Continuing further, King Midas loved his people, his kingdom, and his beautiful daughter, but he also loved gold. Yes, he craved for it. He had rooms full of it. He even had a throne made entirely from gold. So, King Midas was a good king and a good man because he loved his kingdom, his beautiful daughter, and his people, but he also had a strong craving for gold. His craving was so much strong that he even had rooms full of it and a throne made entirely from gold. Now come to last paragraph of page 57. He was still a good man and a good king, but he could not free himself of his obsession for more and more gold. So Midas was a very good man and a good king, but he was not able to free himself of his obsession for more and more gold. One day, as he sat on his golden throne, he closed his eyes and imagined that his fondest dream had come true. He dreamt that everything he touched turned to gold. So one day, when he was sitting on his golden throne, he closed his eyes and had a dream. He imagined that his fondest dream of more and more gold had come true. He also dreamt that everything he touched turned to gold. Now let's discuss the next set of cross questions. How can you explain the craving of King Midas for gold? King Midas had rooms full of gold and a throne made entirely of it. What was the fondest dream of Midas? Gold was the fondest dream of King Midas. What did the king see in his first dream? The king saw in his first dream that everything he touched was turned into gold. So today we have discussed the brief summary of the chapter Golden Touch, detailed summary of the chapter, reading of page 57, and also discussed the word meaning phrases and cross questions related to that page. I hope you all have understood till what we have done today. Now you have to read this page again for better understanding of the topic. Now you will learn the word meaning sentences given on page number 56 and also follow your SNAP homework schedule. Thank you.